soulmate, that's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me, still trying to figure out the mind piece, looking for the love inside me.
All right, long time no see, YouTube. It's been a very busy summer, and we decided to change up the content a little bit, get into some scooters. I'm on the Fluid Freeride NAMI Burn E Viper. Full video coming on this guy. We're gonna be talking about, nice, the Varla Pegasus. It is a dual motor, 500 watts, so 1,000 total, up to about 60 kilometers per hour. And as you can see, on medium off-road surfaces, it handles just fine, which is wicked. This is like hard compact. It's got some suspension, solid tires, no air, so no punctures. Oh, this is dope. This is so fun. And the way that me and my buddy get around, we just go to the bars, we go get our hair cut, we go get some drinks. The scooters have taken over urban mobility for us. It's so fun. Oh, see, this was the move, man. Up was the move. Oh, this is gonna be sick. And that's how you go. You got it? Sick. So, you know, please wear a helmet, be safe, all that fun stuff. I mean, Dan's a grown man. Like, I'm going 33 kilometers per hour right now. It's hilarious. Dude, like I was telling everyone on the thing, like, this is what scooters are all about. You go out, you explore your own neighborhood, you have so much fun. Like, we go to bars together, we go for drinks. Like, the scooter life now is so fun. Everyone needs at least one scooter. That's for sure. Okay, let's grab the Viper and we're gonna keep on going with our little tour. I'm British, so I say tour. You guys say tour. So you can see the Pegasus is a bit bigger than a lime or a bird, quite a bit bigger, weight like 3 times as fast. I mean, anything against this guy is this thing's a monster. But that guy's like really good size. It's really nimble. This guy's really heavy and fast. Just depends on what you want out of your scooter, I guess.
Really powerful. You go up the hill and jump. That's it.
So this guy was watching us the entire time. I didn't know that. He was blown away by the scooters. He absolutely loved it. We talked for at least 20 minutes. So anyways, fast forward.
So yeah, this is the Burn E from NAMI, from Fluid Freeride. As you guys know, my other scooter from them, the Mantis. And Varla reached out and said, hey, we see you have 2 fancy scooters from Fluid. Do you want to try something a little lower priced and maybe, you know, not as fancy? Because my 2 from Fluid are like premium, like just amazing. And look at Dan go on that thing. So I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I love my Fluid scooters. Let's just try something a little bit lower price. So, and that's what my friend Dan's riding, my Varla Pegasus.
As of making this video, they have a deal right now for spring. So use the code here, spring100, for one scooter to save $100 off. And what's so nice is that this is 1,500 Canadian. My other scooters are 1,800 US and 4,500 US. So I listen to you guys. They're a little expensive. I get that. So here we have the Varla Pegasus. Check it out.
You came ripping by.
Dude, it takes the bumps really good.
For not having full shocks too.
Yeah, like it's actually pretty damn good.
And of course the Burn E Viper. Like you're standing still. So stable. Oh, the hill. No way. You did it. Well, we know the Bernie, you can do it. That is a steep hill. The GoPro's not going to show it, but both scooters did it just fine. I messed up.
I made it all the way up.
I jumped off because I'm a bitch. Dude, you made the day. You made that guy's day with your freaking crazy jump. You jumped like this high. Let's see that endo. Don't die though. Yeah, my man. Now, because I am snowcat and I don't pay to say good things, we did have to adjust the front and rear brake, both of them. Took us some finessing because it wouldn't roll out of the box. The brakes were so tight, it just wouldn't roll. So, you know, when you push a scooter like this without power, like it just wouldn't roll. So it took us some time. We had to adjust the brakes. If you're any good at anything mechanical, it wasn't that hard to do. We just took some finessing, some 4 and 6 mil Allens, and then we got it perfect. So it's not rubbing anymore, and it rolls nice. So he asked to take my scooter to go for a date, so I'm like, sure. You can rent her a bird, and then you can flex on her with the Varla. Man, these are some nice houses down here. These are all like $1 million plus. Oh man, this thing's got some jam though. Okay, so I'm on the Varla. What's nice about these scooters is, and they're not like birds or limes, you can get up hills like this, because I'm 190 pounds, and I would not be able to get up this hill on a bird or lime. It would like just not do it. So I'm going uphill at 43 kilometers per hour, which is almost its top speed. It's wicked. It's so stable. Man, as you guys know, I've had scooters on my channel and Instagram for the last couple of years now. I tried the e-bikes, I tried the other e-stuff. The e-scooters are like the move for me. They're my absolute favorite. My favorite thing about a scooter is these grips for your palms. It's so comfy. It's big enough. I have size 12 feet. It's big enough to have both my feet on here. Not really sideways all the way, but as you can see, it kind of works. And you guys kind of said, hey, who's got the money for those expensive scooters you're rocking? So here we go. Something for the people. So check out Varla, link in the description below. They have 2 different models. This one is the Pegasus. How's that scooter?
It's stupid.
Okay guys, I got some more 701 videos coming, got some Grom videos coming, making some more videos, don't worry. Just want to say a quick little hello. I've been so busy, the pandemic and work and working from home. It has been absolutely nuts. I've hardly got out on the bikes, and when I have been, I've just been doing track day stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. I'm really active there still, and I'm going to promise to make more videos. I've got so much to edit. I've just been so busy and trying to like live my life and not, you know, be behind the computer at night after work too, because I work, as you guys know. So yeah. Anyways, we'll chat with y'all later.